What up, though? It's Terrell with Socialite, and we back with another one. I know it's been a long time, but today we're going to be talking about what's going on with cryptocurrency and the catalyst behind what's going on. If you're new here, you're going to want to make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime I post a video, because you never know what the hell I might be talking about. Well, you kind of do, but that's neither here nor there. But let's get right into it. So today, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies has been doing very bad today, or not bad, but very volatile today. And the reason that is because of an announcement that Tesla made today. The announcement that Tesla made was that they are no longer accepting Bitcoin to purchase their vehicles or products. If you don't know, back in early February, Tesla announced that they were purchasing $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, and they were the first company to add it to their balance sheets, the first big company, I would say. And this caused a domino effect, which caused many other companies to follow suit and start to buy into Bitcoin. And that's what caused the massive price increase a couple months ago. Tesla was the catalyst for that move. So today, them saying that they're no longer supporting that is the reason we have the drawback or the correction, I would call it. The reason why Tesla say they are no longer accepting Bitcoin is due to environmental issues. I don't really know if that's all the way the case. It might be some more underlying factors. But yeah, once Elon Musk came on, was like, we accepting Bitcoin for Tesla now. That made the whole market shift that led up to the bull market that we are currently in before today. Because just based on the previous trends that happened after he made the announcement that Tesla was going to accept Bitcoin, if the same thing were announced for Doge, we're talking a whole different story now. So definitely stay tuned for that, because the poll showed about 74% of people wanted it. So we're going to see what happens. If he makes that announcement, who knows what the hell might happen. And also, the mining of Doge is way less strenuous than that of Bitcoin. So that's a great advantage as well. But today, him announcing that they are no longer accepting Bitcoin caused Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that follows the same trends as well as Tesla to all go down drastically today. But me, I use that as a buying opportunity and add it to my portfolio. So, but in my head, this is looking like a big fuck you to institutional investors. So, but yeah, I keep up on this type of shit naturally, so y'all don't have to. So that's why I say make sure you subscribe, and also hit up my IG. That's my more current post and just spur of the moment. So you definitely don't want to miss that as well. And Elon Musk took to his personal Twitter to address this. So what it says is Tesla and Bitcoin. So it's regarding Tesla and Bitcoin. And if you read it and open it up, it says Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is good on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future. But this cannot come at great cost of the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transactions to more sustainable energy. We are looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy and transaction. What do you think that cryptocurrency is? Let me know in the comments. And the tweet before this tweet is him asking on a poll, do you want Tesla to accept Doge? He's literally giving y'all the gems if you're not paying attention. And the polling says 78% of people wants it to happen as well. So, but yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'm not gonna quit saying it because I really need y'all to do that. Make sure you here for another one, and make sure you keep up with what's going on. I'm out.